close the door. We got Tupac to say hello. You know, I'm praying for these people out here on these streets. We got the A for Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, number 8. Okay, we got some accomplishments over here. Some things that I don't know where to hang up, vision board, paintings, etc. You know, I always have to have my incense burning, you know, to get rid of the negativity in the air and all that good stuff and make it smell good. You know, I have some more AKA. All right, let's move on to my desk. My paintings, my decor. Oh, I have a fish, y'all. I named him Dory originally, but then I found out he was a male, so I kind of got to name him something else. I don't know what to name him. Say hi, look, yeah. All right, let's step into the closet. You know, I got my little organization, you know, shoe rack thing going on. Hold on, let me show you behind the door too. Bam, I got my little collage of mirrors and pictures. My mama, that's me. And this my auntie, that's me, my mama. And then that's me right there. My ring light, this is my savior, y'all, because this light right here that they put in this room is dim. And like, let me talk to y'all in the mirror. When it is dim lighting, I can't focus. So that means there will be no homework being done. There will be no focusing. I would just go to sleep with that type of lighting. Like, I really can't focus unless it's bright. That's why I got, oh snap. I got this lamp right here. And I got this right here. And okay, this is my little my zen area where I got some candles lit. My good vibes only, you already know. Some artwork. A for Alasia. It could be A for AKA. A. You know, my cup holder, coaster. All right, let's come to the bed. Like, y'all, I love my bed set. Shout out to my grandma because she hooked me up with a bed set, okay? You know, I was about to try to be studious, but then I remembered I have to do this video. But I'm still gonna be studious. But yes. I know you're like, what is this? Okay, really? It's a tablecloth from the dollar store because I have a little projector. Notice I don't have a TV. So I tried to use it as a backdrop and it was a little bit of a fail. Kind of worked, kind of didn't. But I'm gonna try something else. Here is the mini fridge, you know. At my old apartment, I had a bad experience with people eating my stuff, so I said that will not happen. I got my own, you know, yeah. Down here is a little organization. Oh, yeah, I forgot about a closet. I'm just gonna give you a brief little look at the closet. It's pretty spacious. As you can see, it goes all the way down there. I got a lot of crap in here. I tried to organize it as well as I could, but it could be better. But yeah, that's the closet. All right, say hey, Shy. Oh, let me show you Shy's living room. It's a little dark, let's see. That's Shy's living room under my bed. Yep, she got her little toys. In her crate, she got her little mattress. Oh, that's my volleyball. All right, let's go to the bathroom. Boom. Y'all know how I feel about my mirrors. I love my mirrors. Got my magnification mirror so I can pluck those chin hairs, eyebrows, put my lashes on, etc. Little organization. I just be trying to organize stuff, you know. Got my, you know, my necessities over here. My little poem for my mama. Yes, I love you. Rest in peace. And, you know, toilet, shower. You know, I went with the whole coral theme. You are loved, you know, while you're sitting down, think about how you're loved, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I try to match. This is also where Shy eats her food in my clothes bin. But yeah, y'all, that concludes this tour. Like, that's all I have to show you guys because we didn't do crap to the living room, so that basically looks just the same. It's just something hanging up on the wall, but I don't think I care to see that, so I'm not gonna waste your time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to do not forget to put that notification bell on so you're notified every time I post a video. I don't know what I just did right there, But yes, y'all. Peace. Okay, here's my new apartment, y'all. Here's the living room. Okay, we got a little dining area. A little kitchen area. Big countertop. I love it. Stove. Fridge, microwave. Okay, let's see what we got here. Got a little patio. Okay, a little grilling station in the back. Okay.